the Central Board of Trustees of EPFO has decided to keep rate of interest on EPF for the financial year 2023 is at 8.15%, which is 0.05% higher than the rate of interest which was decided for the financial year 2022. It is mainly based on the recommendation that has been made by the Finance Committee of CBT, that is Central Board of Trustees, on earnings. It is not as per the expectation of the CBT, and CBT, based on that, it has been decided by the Central Board of Trustees that rate of interest would be 8.15% for the financial year 2023. Apart from that, we are talking about the earnings and current condition. Sources are confirming that decision has been taken because of the current global turmoil, and it is expected that if EPFO would have decided to provide higher rate of interest than 8.15%, their surplus amount would have reduced further. So for the DEFA side, it has been decided to keep it at 8.15%, and as far as minimum pension is concerned, no decision has been taken. However, we are still waiting for the official confirmation. After short while, Labour Minister is expected to hold a press conference and official announcement will be made.
Is it on expected lines, would you say, Prakash, the rate that they are coming out with, 8.15%? What was the street expecting? Any sense?
Yes, it is on expected line because a lot of members in CBT with their opinion that due to uncertainty in the global market, current banking crisis in global market, it was expected that the rate of interest would be on similar line what it was last year. And based on the recommendation by the Finance Committee of Central Board of Trustees, it has been decided to keep it at 8.15%. But I would like to remind you that 8.15% is still higher than the rate of interest if you compare it with other small saving schemes. That is why it is not as bad for the subscriber. But yes, it was at a time of high inflation, it was expected that based on earnings, EPFO may decide rate of interest more than 8.10%, which was last year. But based on, calculating the earnings and earnings on investment, it has been decided to keep it at 8.15%.